We're happy for you, bro. Thanks. You're doing good as a lawyer and now you're getting married?
Yeah, I know. I cannot believe it. Wait, how's the speech?
It was great, man.
Okay.
Yeah. What's up, Mr. John? What's up, baby bro?
Oh my God. All right, leave you two here.
See you,
Oh
John.
yeah, sige.
Oh.
Jeez!
Look at you.
No, look at you! Wait, ano to? You're late! Akala ko ba nagbagong buhay ka na?
Hey, I'm your kuya, and there are exceptions to the rule. It's my prerogative.
Okay, fine. Accepted. Accepted.
So, nasaan yung babaeng papakasalan mo? Where is she?
Oh, she's right over there.
Over there.
In the beautiful flowery dress.
All right, how do I look?
You good?
Good. All right.
Sorry. Hindi, okay lang. Konti lang naman eh.
Natamaan ka?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Ba't kanina ka pa natutulala? Naalala ko kasi yung panaginip ko kagabi. Parang kinabahan ako bigla.
Brother, be good, okay?
Come be good.
Grace.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Hello.
I want you to meet Kuya William. Kuya William, fiancé.
Have we met before?
No. I don't think so.
It's weird. Parang nagkita tayo dati. Paano tayo magkikita dati when you can't see?
Hey, Kuya!
I didn't know. I'm sorry. It's a bad joke. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. Grace, welcome to the family. Okay? Okay.
Bad joke, man.
It's a bad joke. I'm sorry.
Thanks. We're good.
Okay.
William!
Ma'am.
Oh my God! Ganyan. Oh my gosh.
Papalampasin ko ba yung gabing to? Hmm? Speaking of which, nasan si Papa?
He's in the office. He's having a meeting with his staff. Alam mo naman ang papa mo, walang pinipiling oras sa trabaho. So have you met Grace?
Yes, I met her. She's very pretty. Bagay sila ni Edward. It's just too bad that she's blind. Ano ba nangyari dyan?
Not Grace's fault na may tragic past siya. Traumatic experience yung pinagdaanan ni Grace. Hindi siya basta-basta lang makakamove on. Babae ka pa naman. You should have known better.
I heard she had an accident, but it doesn't really bother her anymore.